Hi loves! Today I'm showing you how to get the cloud skin look, that soft focus, smooth, flawless finish that's never flat, using affordable products. You don't need high-end makeup to look like a dream. And that's how you get the cloud skin look for less. Smooth, soft, and flawless without spending a fortune. If you try this, tag me and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget beauty tips. Let's glow. Step 1. Skin prep, hydrate plus blur on a budget. I start by cleansing with the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser, which is gentle, fragrance-free, and perfect for removing impurities without stripping the skin. Next, I am applying NIVEA Soft Moisturizing Cream for lightweight but lasting hydration. To smooth texture and blur pores without drying the skin, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Step 2. Base, light and soft matte. For the base, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation for a soft, natural matte finish that still looks like skin. If you have dry skin, you can use the Dewy Plus Smooth version instead. For concealer, I'm applying LA Girl HD Pro Conceal under the eyes and around any redness, blending it in with a damp beauty sponge for that diffused, cloud-like finish. Step 3. Set lightweight powder. Next, I'm lightly setting my T-zone with Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder to keep shine away without making the skin look flat. Step 4. Add soft depth. To bring back warmth and gentle depth, I'm adding e.l.f. primer-infused bronzer along the cheekbones and forehead, then blending in a soft pop of essence, the blush in Believing for a natural flush. For a subtle, glow-from-within highlight, I'm dusting on Wet n Wild Mega Glow, highlighting powder in Precious Petals. Step 5. Finish the look. To melt everything together and lock it in, I'm finishing with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Mist for that dreamy, smooth finish. And that's it. The perfect budget-friendly cloud skin look that's soft, flawless, and never flat.